Why does your scanner show the P0077 engine code? What does it mean? P0077 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake valve control solenoid circuit high in bank 1. It indicates the PCM has detected a voltage issue with the intake valve control solenoid circuit on the bank 1 side of the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty intake valve control solenoid. Wiring issues. Engine control module issues. Low engine oil. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Kia. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.